Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily post anonymously on Facebook group. So for this, first of all, you just have to open the Facebook application on your mobile. Now go to the group where you want to post anonymously. So if I go to my groups and let's say I want to post in this group. So once you are on the group, tap on here, write something, and here you will see the feature post anonymously. It look like this group does not have the feature to post anonymously, so we will go to any other group and see if the anonymously post option is available or not. So if I go for this group, and yes, here is the option to post anonymously on the group. So if you turn this toggle on, tap on this I want to post anonymously. Now you can write anything you want. And tap on this post in the upper right corner, and then you have to tap on this post again, and your post will be posted and anonymously. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.